Pertussis, or whooping cough, tetanus, and diphtheria are serious diseases, and cases of whooping cough have been increasing in the United States. 4 out of 5 babies with whooping cough catch it at home from loved ones. Nearly half of all infants with whooping cough are hospitalized, and some may die. Anyone in close contact with infants, including parents, siblings, and caregivers, should get vaccinated to help protect themselves and avoid spreading disease. Learn more at www.nfid.org.